Hello, freshmen. Today, during Xello time with your mentors, you are going to be logging in through Xello. You'll have to go in through the URL through our school district's website, and you will click on Power School. And once you're logged into Power School, you will then be able to go to that small box in the right-hand corner to log into Xello. Once you're logged into Xello, you're first going to do the lesson, and it's going to be called Exploring Career Factors. That will be at the top here with the Get Started button. Once you do that, the whole point of doing the career factors is determining what kind of factors are involved when you're looking at specific careers and what you want within that career. It's going to allow you to be able to tell, is this something that I still want to do? What are some of those things that I'm going to need to be able to do, whether it be working away from home, whether it be working with people, all those different factors. So you're going to take this lesson, you're going to follow all the prompts. It will say Exploring Career Factors. You'll click Get Started. Once you are finished, it will tell you that you are done. You will click Done at the top of the right-hand corner of the box. And once you are finished with that, you're going to click on the Exploring Career Factors assignments, which will say January 13th, 2021. Once you click on that assignment, you will be able to answer these questions. What is your career choice? And then do the various career factors in the career that you want: education, growth, money, match what you want in that career. You're going to answer the question and then submit by turning in with this blue button. Once you have done the lesson and the assignment, that is when you are completed with lesson 2, which is this January's lesson. If you have questions, make sure you ask your mentor, or of course you can ask me. And happy Xello time. Thank you.